What's up, Akraks fam? Want to finally see real results from your fitness routine without spending hours in the gym or starving yourself? You're about to discover 10 daily habits that go beyond the hype. These are science-backed, time-tested micro-shifts that completely reshape your energy, physique, and mindset fast. So grab a notebook or screenshot along the way, because the 10th habit, it's the one that 90% of people skip, but it's the real game changer. First up, let's talk about winning the day. And that starts right when you open your eyes. We're not talking about dragging yourself out of bed at the crack of dawn, but shifting your wake-up time by just 30 to 60 minutes can be a game changer. This isn't about punishing yourself, it's about giving yourself the gift of time. Time to move your body, time to fuel your mind, time to set your intentions for the day. And speaking of fuel, the first thing you put in your body sets the tone for the entire day. We're ditching the coffee and reaching for a tall glass of water. Not just any water though, we're talking 500 milliliters of pure filtered water with a pinch of sea salt for electrolytes and a squeeze of lemon for a little detoxifying boost. This rehydrates you after a night's sleep, kickstarts your metabolism, and gets everything flowing. Trust me, those extra minutes and that simple hydration ritual will make you feel like a whole new you. You'll be amazed at how much more energy you have, how much clearer your mind feels, and how much more productive you are throughout the day. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Now that you're hydrated and energized, it's time to ignite your metabolism. We're not talking about an intense workout here, just 10 minutes of fasted movement before you eat breakfast. This could be a brisk walk, some bodyweight exercises, or even just stretching. The key is to get your heart rate up and your blood flowing. Why fasted? Because when you move your body in a fasted state, your body taps into stored fat for fuel. This means you're torching calories and building a leaner physique right from the start of your day. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Moving your body first thing in the morning also clears your head, sharpens your focus, and sets a positive tone for the day ahead. Think of it as a mental reset button. It's a chance to shake off any stress or sluggishness from the night before and start your day feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to conquer anything. You've hydrated, you've moved your body, now it's time to fuel up with a breakfast that will set you up for success. We're talking about a protein-rich breakfast that will keep you feeling full, energized, and satisfied until your next meal. Why protein? Because protein is the building block of muscle, and it plays a crucial role in keeping your blood sugar levels stable. This means no more mid-morning energy crashes or cravings. Aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of protein in your breakfast. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, protein smoothies, or even leftovers from last night's dinner. And don't be afraid to add in some healthy fats and complex carbs for sustained energy throughout the morning. Now that you're fueled up and ready to go, let's talk about mobility. We're not talking about spending hours in the gym here. Just 5 to 10 minutes of dynamic stretching can make a world of difference, really. This could be as simple as some arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. The key is to move your body through its full range of motion. Why is mobility so important? Because it improves your posture, prevents injuries, and helps you move better throughout the day. Think about all the things you do in a day. Sitting at a desk, driving, carrying groceries. All of these activities can take a toll on your body, leading to stiffness, pain, and even injury. By incorporating a few minutes of mobility work into your morning routine, you're essentially oiling the joints and preparing your body for the day ahead. Let's be real, most of us spend a good chunk of our day sitting down. But that doesn't mean we have to stay glued to our chairs. It's time to incorporate movement snacks into your day. What are movement snacks? They're exactly what they sound like, small bites of movement that you sprinkle throughout your day. Think about it, you wouldn't go all day without eating, so why would you go all day without moving? Every hour or two, get up and move your body for a few minutes. Take a walk around the office, do some stretches, or even just stand up and shake out your limbs. These movement snacks will help regulate your blood sugar levels, improve your focus, and prevent stiffness. We've all been there, that mid-afternoon slump hits and you're reaching for the closest sugary snack. But here's the thing, those sugary snacks will only give you a temporary energy boost, followed by an even bigger crash. Instead of sabotaging your health goals, let's talk about smart snacking. Smart snacking is all about choosing foods that will fuel your body and keep you feeling satisfied until your next meal. Think protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Some of my favorite go-to snacks include a handful of almonds, a hard-boiled egg, or some Greek yogurt with berries. These snacks will provide you with sustained energy, prevent energy crashes, and keep those cravings at bay. In today's digital age, it's easy to get caught up in the constant scroll, but all that screen time before bed can seriously mess with your sleep. That's why it's crucial to incorporate a digital detox wind-down into your evening routine. An hour or two before bed, ditch the screens and give your brain a break. Instead of scrolling through social media, try reading a book, taking a relaxing bath, or spending time with loved ones. This will help calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve the quality of your sleep. You've probably heard it before, aim for 10,000 steps a day. But have you ever stopped to think about why this number is so significant? Walking is actually one of the most underrated forms of exercise out there. It's low impact, accessible to everyone, and honestly, it does wonders for your physical and mental health. Aiming for 10,000 steps a day can improve your heart health, boost your metabolism, reduce stress, and, even improve your mood. And the best part is, you don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership. Just lace up your shoes and get moving. In today's fast-paced world, it's so easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed out. That's why it's honestly more important than ever to incorporate a breathing or meditation practice into your daily routine. Taking just a few minutes each day to focus on your breath can work wonders for your mental and emotional well-being. Just find a quiet space, close your eyes, and simply observe your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this for 5 to 10 minutes, focusing on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. This simple practice can help reduce stress, improve focus, and promote feelings of calmness and relaxation. This last habit is the one that 90% of people skip, but it's honestly the real game changer. We're talking about tracking and reflecting. It's easy to go through the motions of your fitness journey without really paying attention to your progress. But when you take the time to track your workouts, your meals, your sleep, and even your mood, you gain some valuable insights into what's working and what's not. Keep a journal, use a fitness tracker, or just jot down some notes on your phone. The key is to be consistent and honest with yourself. At the end of each week, take some time to reflect on your progress. What went well? What could you improve on? By tracking and reflecting, you hold yourself accountable, identify areas for growth, and honestly, you stay motivated on your fitness journey. There you have it, Akraks fam, 10 daily habits that can transform your fitness fast. These habits are all about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results over time. Remember, consistency is key. Don't try to do everything at once. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 habits into your routine, and gradually add more as you get comfortable. So which of these habits are you starting today? Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're ready to level up your fitness. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a wellness reboot. More game-changing episodes are on the way, so turn on that notification bell and stay tuned.